Hello guys and welcome back to another vlog. Now it looks like a dead rodent that's just been obliterated by a bus. I am such a Morgz, your hair looks like a rotten pineapple. Like what the are you serious? Oh hey, how's it going?
Morgan, can I arrange for my friend to come round and sort your hair out? It looks a right mess.
You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god, surely they can't get 100k likes. Oh god. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is officially the start of the prank off. The prank off, starring Morgz and Morgz&Mum. It's starting right now. God damn it! God damn it! God! Oh my lord! Finally! Oh my god! Pass me one of your hands. That's all I need you to do. See, look, it's not hurting, is it? If you get this arm here and put it down like that, there, like that, and I'm just gonna clap that one in like that.
Oh, you little... Morgan! Yes.
Oh, hey, Mum. I just went to the toilet. Oh my god! Started the...
Have you done it?
Oh no.
Where's the key? Give me the key! Oh god, I forgot to get the key out of it.
I've got the key. Mum, do you want it? Do you want it?
No, so
do you want it? Come on, get it. Mum, I'll make you a deal, okay? If you don't look, I'm gonna hide the key in this room, and then I'm gonna just let you try and find it. She's got the key. She's got the key. Oh!
Oh, look what you've done to me.
Exercise.
Talking about? Stop lying to the camera. I had to pick you up after 2 minutes because you got injured. God.
I'm gonna go get a bath. That was nice.